Every year I do something around the 4th of July on red, white, and blue flowers for the landscape, partly because I love them and partly because why not? Here's the interesting thing though, you can get an awful lot of red if you're using annuals. It's a little harder with perennials. So I went off to the garden centers and I got some red, some white, some blue, some silver, lots of green, so we can talk about how you could actually create color combinations, including red, white, and blue, from start to finish. Now, obviously, this is not the spring season, so I don't have anything that's flowering red, white, or blue for spring, but you can also always use foliage. And the cool thing about it is even if you don't like this combination, you can try it in other seasons of the year simply by adding other colors, because obviously perennials are not going to flower from spring to fall like annuals do. The other thing you can do is you can mitigate the colors by using foliage colors. We have a lot of really dark, deep reds that are in shrubs now, in the shrub world, and that would become sort of a quiet backdrop or a bold backdrop if you put something like the silver artemisia in front of it, or one of the daisies. You've got spiky forms, you've got coreopsis that is going to be the daisy-like form, yarrows, even little bitty ones like Peter Cottontail, Stokes aster, which is one that is not here, but it's one we have in the garden. Of course, you can use roses if you like roses. Cardinal flower is a little bit touchy, it belongs in wet locations. Jacob Klein Monarda is one of the best. We don't have any right now, but it is spectacular in terms of red, and the pollinators love it. Again, what the breeders are doing is they're coming up with good, stable colors of varieties of some of our tried and true perennials. We have the salvias and we have the veronicas that are blue, bluish, more blue. Some of the phlox, garden phlox, is gorgeous. David is white. They haven't come up with quite a true red yet. You'll see perennials that have cherry red in the name. And remember that some of them are going to fade to more of a pinkish color. Again, you can choose these color combinations. You can do drifts, you can do masses. Once they go quiet in the garden, then you'll use something else. So if you like red, white, and blue, or you like red and blue, or you like blue and silver, and you want that season long, add asters for the fall. Add a couple of our other native plants that are going to bloom red and give you the hummingbirds to come in and actually enjoy those as well. And remember that red will fight a little bit with green, so again, you've got those color combinations that are going to work together.